How to create a test site on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a test website into your Wix website or for your Wix website. Basically it is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the site's dashboard. Here, as you can see, we have the site's dashboard. Now we are going to choose one of the websites that we want to make a test site for. Basically, I'm going to choose one of the websites, maybe this one. I'm going to click on the site actions, and then I'm going to duplicate the website. So I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to put here this, for example, name, not copy, but test site. I'm going to click on duplicate, wait for a few seconds, and we're going to have it right away. So what I am going to do basically is to make the modification into the test site that we have created. So I can go ahead and click on edit or select an edit site. So I can start by adding the modification that I have implemented into that website. And then if they are going to be some good modification, customization, or personalization for the website, I can go ahead and head over my website and apply them or apply it for it. So I'm going to start by having maybe the blog post, or basically you're going to put a test for the website to test out maybe the developer mode like that, or developer tools for monitoring, login tools, and also secret manager and etc. And also you can click on design site or edit site, so you can go ahead and apply some modification to your website. So we can start by adding, for example, something like, I don't know here, codes, elements, and also the designs. You can start by having a menu first, or changing the header. For example, you're going to have the same header into both of the website. So we can go ahead and change the header. You can modify the strips, you can modify the columns, add up here the text, or remove this text and add instead of it a logo. I'm going to hide this toolbar. So you can find that we have, for example, this one, this menu, I do not like it. Maybe I can go ahead and add another menu. So I can go ahead and head over the menu and anchor. Visit the themed or the standard, as you can see here, menus. So as you can see here, we have this menu. So it is not going to be the same one as this, but it is going to be the general menu. You can go ahead and manage the menu, and also you can modify the pages that you want to be showing in here. So basically I can go ahead and head over the parameter, the layout of the menu, for example, for scroll, make a drop down, or set up the drop down of the menu. That was something simple that we can modify. Also, we can go ahead and have, for example, the image. I can go ahead and double tap on the banner. I can go ahead and manage the media. For example, click on manage media. I can go ahead and add something else. Instead of that, I can go ahead and have the coffee added like that, and it is going to be changed. So basically that is going to be one way to modify the website. I can try on also some different apps from the app market. So I can go ahead and have some custom apps right there from I don't know here, for setup for the Wix blog or Wix pricing plans. I can go ahead and add whatever app. Also, I can go ahead and try on some different site styles. I can go ahead and head over here. So I can change the site theme, the color theme, text theme, background, and paste transitions and animations. Every single details, I can go ahead and have it through this specific process, so we can make sure that we are not going to ruin our actual website, but on a test mode only. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.